Okay, this is what I'm going to do, is I have to take these wires and I'm going to twist them, and I'm going to twist these wires and I'm going to hook them up to these wires and this other set of wires over here. So here's how the twisties work. I'm going to twist this one counterclockwise here. So take this over. It's almost like braiding almost. And you twist it over, and you twist it over, and you twist it, and you really give it a backwards twist if you do it right. You give it a little bit of a backwards twist with your wrist. See this? Turn it this way, like that, and back. Very slight twist this way, just like a half twist, because you're only going to half twist the other way. But a half twist, and you take it over everything, sort of like braiding. Half twist, okay. Then I'm going to twist everything back and forth. There it is. That's a cable. All these wires are now parallel. It's not like you took something and twisted them like this. It's not like that at all. These here won't unravel. This is the way they make rope. You twist it and you twist it back. Same thing when you're making twine and rope out in the wild. And you're taking bark. And you do it, you turn it this way and over, this way and over, this way and over. See? This way and over, this way and over, this way and over, this way and over, and over. And that's where I'm going to do one more with the white. Okay, I'm going to twist it back and forth. It equalizes everything, and there it goes. Now I'm going to tape them up, but I lost my tape. There's the tape. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the edge here. See how I got my fingers on the edge? That glue is shot. You don't want your fingers on the edge of that. So I'm still holding the edge and not touching the tape with my fingers, that is. And I cut it off. There's a piece of junk tape. Okay, now what I'm going to do is come right on here. I'm going to go around. I'm going to go around once. There it is. Once. Full one. Here's a half, and it comes right in the middle. Come up through the middle, and I'm going to start working my way up. You want about a half of a layer of tape between each step around the half of the width of this tape right here. I'm not quite getting a half of a width, but that's good. I'm doing just fine here. Now I'm getting about a half. But you always want to have at least a half, because it gives you a double layer of tape when you're done, instead of a layer and a half where you have a ridge. So this tape is going on really nice, and this is 3M tape, and I found out if I run 3M tape, everything lasts a long time. So now at the end, I come around without one solid layer, and this is going to be the end so it doesn't unravel. And this 3M tape sort of like self-vulcanizes. That's what it feels like. Because you can't just take it off. Even after a little while, you just can't unravel it. Look how nice that came out. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? It came out very nice. Okay, now the next layer. Okay, oh, here it is. Well, I didn't want to cut that off because I got a mess going there. Should have washed my hands first, because I have a little bit of residue, oily junk on my hands. It's not a good thing. Okay, I'm going to wrap this the opposite way. I'm going to go all the way around again, all the way around, and now through. And that's going to make that inside. See that? See how that is? That's real nice there. Let's get this Kickstarter out of the way. Look at that. With all this black, I sure can't see very well. Okay, we're almost done. We're almost done. Come on now. Hold on. You can wait. You can wait. You can wait another second. Come on. It's almost done. Let's see the end. The end. Here's the climax. Oh, man. Okay, here it is. Double wrap. And there we are. We're done. All we have to do is cut it off. And that's it. Have a nice day. And be sure to subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.